Good morning, children. Myself, Lata Kumari. I am going to handle mathematics for 6th standard for the academic year 2020-21. To start with, we'll start the first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. You might have learned in your earlier classes about the numbers. Many features about it, many topics about it. Now, to begin with, we'll start with comparison of numbers. Comparison is nothing but comparing any two numbers or many numbers to know which is the greatest or which is the smallest. For example, 7,458 and 15,742. When you look at these two numbers, you can easily make out which is the greatest or which is the smallest. I'll tell you another method to know which is greatest and which is smallest. Okay? Now, when you look at these numbers, you can count the number of digits in each number. Now, in this number, you have 4 digits. And in this number, you have 5 digits. Yes? The number which has got more number of digits is the greater number. In the same way, the number of digits here is 4. It is lesser than this. So, this is the smallest number. We'll go for another example. Three thousand 452 and here 3,783. Now we'll compare these two numbers. Here the number of digits in this number is 4. Also in this number it is 4. Yes. Now we'll look at the number which is in the highest place value of both these numbers. First number, here the number in the highest place value is 3. Even here the number in the highest place value is 3. Now we'll move on to the next number, that is the number which is in the hundreds place. Here it is 4 and here it is 7. As you all know, 7 is greater than 4. So the number 3,783 is the greater number and the number 3,452 is the smaller number. Yes? We'll go on to another example. $97,243. Another number 97,268. Now when you look at these two numbers, you can easily make out these two numbers have got the equal number of digits. That is, here also it's 5, here also it is 5. Then as I said earlier, we'll compare the highest place value number. Now here it is 9, here also it is 9. We'll go to the next number, that is 7 in the next place. Here also it is 7. As for us, again we'll go for the number which is in the hundreds place. Here and here also we have got the same numbers. Now we'll go on to the next number, that is the number which is in the tens place. Here the number is 4 and here it is 6. Now you can easily compare which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Yes, now we can tell that this number is the greatest number and this number is the smallest number. So this is the method of comparing any two numbers. Not only for any two numbers, if it is more than 2, 3 or 4, the comparison is the same. The method of comparison is same. Okay. Now let us see 3 or 4 numbers, how to compare these numbers. Now 5643. Another number 348. Another number 14,656. We'll have another number 74,689. Now you look at these 4 numbers. Among these numbers, can you identify the smallest number? As I told you earlier, the number of digits in each number you will count and find out that the number which has the less number of digits, that is, you can easily make out from this that this number is the smallest number. Now we'll see which is the number which is greatest among this. Now here when you see, you have only 4 digits. Here you have 5 digits. Here also you have 5 digits. Since these two have 5 digits, we will compare these two numbers. Among these numbers, in the highest place value, here it is 7 and here it is 1. So we can easily make out this is the number which is greatest among all these numbers. Yes children, did you understand how to compare these numbers? You might have learned this in your lower classes also. Yes? Is it clear? Okay children. Now if it is clear, we will move on to the next topic, that is writing numbers in ascending order and descending order. Shall we move on? Yes. Ascending order and descending order. As you have already learned, you know what do you mean by ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means writing the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. Same way, descending order means writing the numbers from greatest number to the smallest number. Let us go with some examples. Yes, let me write some numbers. Example, 5684, 396, 69, 14,516. Now you see these numbers. When you see these numbers, you can easily make out that each number has got different number of digits. Yes. So the smallest among it, which is the smallest among it? 69. The next smallest, you can easily make out it is 396. The next smallest, it is 5684. Can you tell which is the last one which is remaining? That is 14,516. So we have written these numbers in the form of from the smallest number to the greatest number. This order of writing the numbers is called ascending order. It's called ascending order. When we write these numbers in the opposite order of ascending order, we get descending order. That is, when we start with the greatest number, that is, when we start the numbers from the greatest number, that is 14,516, the next one 5,684, the next one 396, and the next one 69. This order of writing the numbers is called descending order. I hope I am clear. Since you have already learned these topics in your lower classes, I am not going into detail of it. I hope you have understood it. Thank you, children.